This 2022 Gulfstream Ameri-Lite Superlight 199RK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Taylor, Michigan, 48180 and is offered for sale by Vickers Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Gulfstream is 22 feet 4 inches in length and features refrigerator, TV antenna, microwave, air conditioning, self-contained, water heater, external shower, skylight, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-living area, rear bath, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Gulfstream Ameri-Lite Superlight 199RK is 3,539 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Vickers Trailer Sales.